Hi, I'm John Stewart, Chief Investment Officer of Farmers Trust Company. This is the Investor's Edge.
The Investor's Edge, Market Insights with John Stewart, is brought to you by Farmers Trust Company.
Hi, I'm John Stewart. Welcome to the Investor's Edge. First off, the week in review. Interest rates are jumping higher and growth stocks are taking a hit. A couple of weeks ago, I talked about keeping an eye on interest rates as they move higher. I just didn't expect them to accelerate so quickly. Over the last 2 weeks, we've seen the 10-year Treasury rate jump from 1.15% all the way up to 1.5%. This is a huge move. I talked about how if interest rates moved up towards 1.5% on the 10-year Treasury, it might start to undermine stock prices. In fact, we have started to see this happen as stocks have rolled over during the past few sessions. The growth stocks, prior market darlings like Apple, Amazon, and Tesla, are the ones that are bearing the brunt of the downside the most. As interest rates move up, these growth-oriented stocks tend to take it on the chin. For this week's featured insight, focus on hard assets. So software may be changing our lives, for better or worse depending on your perspective. The stuff that makes stuff is still important. Companies that have assets that produce the goods that we all consume have lagged the market over the last several years. However, that may be changing. Stocks that have a high percentage of tangible assets relative to their market cap have been outperforming those with a low percentage of tangible assets over the last 6 months by about 10 full percentage points. If we continue to see downward pressure on the US dollar and upward pressure on rates of inflation, the owners of assets will benefit the most. Looking ahead, expect travel inflation. Those higher interest rates and higher commodity prices that I've been talking about are telling you something. Costs are rising, otherwise known as inflation. One thing you should expect to pay more for this summer is travel. As COVID restrictions ease, people are going to be eager to get out and travel about. And the demand may just outstrip the supply. We're already seeing fuel prices on the rise. I would expect airfare and hotel rates to do the same. Once again, I'm John Stewart, and thank you for watching The Investor's Edge.
The Investor's Edge, Market Insights with John Stewart, is brought to you by Farmers Trust Company.
Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell for notifications. And also make sure to connect with us on Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn. For all of your business news, visit businessjournaldaily.com. For all of your arts and entertainment news, go to afterhoursyoungstown.com.